this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Telegram channel. So the first thing we need to do is just open up the Telegram application, click on chats in the bottom navigation, click on create a new message in the top right hand side and select new channel. Click on create channel and then just go and give your channel a name. You can click on the camera icon just to the left of the name and you can go and upload an image for the profile picture of your Telegram group. And you can also provide a description and this will help other people find your Telegram group. Once you finish, click on next. Now decide whether you want this to be a public or a private group. I'm going to set mine as a public group and then you can go and create a link for your group. So I'm going to call this travel group 123. Now this is going to be the URL that people will use to go and join your Telegram group. Click on next in the top right hand side. And as you can see, because this is a public group, anyone will be able to find, search and join this group. Click on OK. And if you want to add any of your contacts to this group, then go and select them from this list here and click on next. And just like that, we've now created this Telegram group. So if I click on the name in the top navigation, you can see we have the share link and you can go and send this to people that you want to join your Telegram group. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.